Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from high level. So this is actually an update on the autosave feature for the funnel and website builder. First up here is this cool graph because I'm as much as it, we'll talk about kind of some of the changes here. One of the coolest parts about it is the actual increase in load time. So you can see right here, before it was on average 13 seconds and they dropped it down to 6. That's almost a 100%, like I said, 100% improvement or 50% improvement, 50% because you're going from higher to lower. But anyways, so that's very cool. So first up, obviously significant improvements in builder load time. The builder load and save times have been significantly improved, so that's great. That's what we just talked about. Next up, optimized API calls for faster performance. So basically, the save operation that we are doing went from taking 6 seconds down to 3.5 seconds, which is awesome. So that's also very cool. And then we've also improved a couple of other things here just to make the experience on the front end a lot better. So in progress and validated token handling, you don't have to deal with that. The top bar of the version pages has now been aligned with the main builder in terms of height, width, and padding to make a little bit more visual consistency. We've also removed the unsaved changes indicator. The yellow unsaved changes indicator has now been removed as the improved autosave process has become more reliable. And we've also improved the tooltip behavior because I think a lot of times that big spinny thing was kind of making it annoying. So it made you feel like you couldn't do anything or like things were locking up. And so they were able to fix all of that. So in general, I think that you will see a much improved autosave behavior here. Cannot wait to hear your feedback on this. So when you get a chance, obviously make sure you have reloaded the app. Generally, I hold down Shift on the keyboard and click the refresh button. That tends to force most browsers to sort of like throw everything out and re-grab it just to make sure you have the latest code base. But anyhow, curious to see how that impacts your overall experience on the autosave. But this came from some awesome feedback from all of you folks on how we could make this better. So I love that we got this done. And you can see now also when you mouse over, it'll kind of give you the last autosave, which is cool. This is kind of what the saving state looks like now, so it's not so in your face. And this is just just showing that the heights and so forth have been lined up. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an awesome Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.